If you are a Virgin Galactic shareholder, you must be wondering what is going on with the stock, why it is dropping 5 to 6% every single day, why this company is selling for less than what it has in cash, because the market cap, you can see it's 700 million, but they almost have 1 billion in cash. So why the shorts are banking on this stock, thinking this stock is going to go under? Everything started after they released the second quarter earning. The analysts were expecting more than 3 million in revenue, but they said Virgin Galactic is only going to make 1 million in revenue for the next 2 quarters, but they said they will be burning the same amount of cash, which is 125 to 135 million every single quarter, while they are bringing 1 million in revenue. Because if they burn the cash in this rate, they are going to be out of cash in 7 quarters. And the stock price is very low right now. They cannot raise more money by selling stock. That means it's going to dilute the stock so much. And that is the only way Virgin Galactic can raise more cash, because the interest rates are so high. So we don't know when the Fed is going to start bringing down the interest rate. If it start to bring down the interest rate, Virgin Galactic have a chance to borrow money from the banks. So financially, they are in a very tough situation. But if you look at the fundamentals, they started the space flight every month. So their fundamentals are improving, but it won't improve that much until they bring in the new class of Delta spaceship, which can fly every week, that can generate more money. And if they have more Delta flights, probably they are going to go break even in 2028. So investors are very short term minded. They look at around 6 months, 1 year. They are not going to wait another 5 years for Virgin Galactic to become break even and then become profitable, because they can find so much profitable company right now to buy. So that is what happening right now with Virgin Galactic. If you are following Virgin Galactic since they become public, during IPO, Saudi pension fund was planning to invest 1 billion in Virgin Galactic, but Virgin Galactic denied that funding. Let me go to that article. So this is when they IPO'd Virgin Galactic. So Social Capital invested 800 million for 49% of stake, and Branson held 51% of the stake. And you can see here, Virgin Galactic raised much needed fund in 2018, said the company would suspend discussion with Saudi Arabia Public Investment Fund over a planned 1 billion investment after the murder of Saudi journalist. So I don't know they are going to go back to Saudis, because you can see in G20 Biden was handshaking with the Saudi prince. If that happen, they might get more funding because they have a proven technology. The only problem they have now is they need to scale up their operation. They need funding to scale up their operation, because if you look at what they are doing right now, is this is their Mojave operation, and their spaceport is in the New Mexico, and they are building a new Delta class factory, and they have a design and engineering headquarters in here in California. So they have so much of operational cost right now, but the funding for the company is very limited. Right now, the only way for the company to raise money is by selling stocks, but that is not going to be very sustainable because the stock price is so low. They have to dilute the shareholders so much to raise more money, and they cannot raise more money by selling stock for $1, because this company was raising money before when the stock was 40, $50. Right now is, you know, instead of selling one stock, now they have to sell 50 stock to raise $50. So it is hard to tell how they are going to turn around. the financial situation. But as Cathy Wood predicts, there might be deflation coming soon. If that happens, the Fed is going to bring down the interest rate so much very quickly. If that happens, they can go to capital markets and raise capital. So if you are a Virgin Galactic shareholder and you already have shares, there are few different ways you can handle the situation. You can buy more stock and cost average if you believe in this company, or you can sell the stock and take loss for the tax return, but you cannot take more than 3,000 per year in losses from the stock sale. I am holding so much of Virgin Galactic stock, so I am slowly buying more stock to cost average in the hope the company will recover in the future. But you never know what is going to happen because this is a high risk, high reward situation with Virgin Galactic. So you need to do your own research, own due diligence before you invest in Virgin Galactic. By any means, this video is not a financial advice. It is just for information and entertainment purpose. So you need to do your own research before you invest in Virgin Galactic. So let me know what do you think about the future of Virgin Galactic in the comment section. So I will be releasing more of Virgin Galactic videos because I am a believer in this company. So with that note, I'm going to end this video. I will see you in the next Virgin Galactic video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Also, don't forget to like the video if this is informative to you.